Welcome to Civil Concept. In this video, we will learn how to calculate floor tiles for a 10 feet by 10 feet room, including skirting and wastage. First, let us see the given data. Floor length is 10 feet, floor width is 10 feet. So, floor area equals length times width. That means floor area equals 10 times 10 equals 100 square feet. Now, tile size is 2 feet by 2 feet. So, one tile area equals 2 times 2 equals 4 square feet. Now, calculate the number of floor tiles. Number of tiles equals floor area divided by tile area. So, number of tiles equals 100 divided by 4. Number of tiles equals 25 tiles. This means for the floor only 25 tiles are required. Now let us calculate the skirting. Door size is 3 feet by 7 feet. Skirting length formula is skirting length equals 2 times open parenthesis length plus width close parenthesis minus door width. So skirting length equals 2 times open parenthesis 10 plus 10 close parenthesis minus 3. Skirting length equals 40 minus 3. Skirting length equals 37 running feet. Now calculate skirting tile area. Skirting height is 4 inches. Convert 4 inches into feet. 4 inches divided by 12 equals 0.333 feet. So, skirting tile area equals 37 times 0.333. Skirting tile area equals 12.33 square feet. Now calculate total tile area. Total tile area equals floor area plus skirting area. So, total tile area equals 100 plus 12.33. Total tile area equals 112.33 square feet. Now add wastage. Here, wastage is 8%. So, total tile area with wastage equals 1.08 times 112.33. Total tile area with wastage equals 121.3 square feet. So, the final answer is room size equals 10 feet by 10 feet. Tile size equals 2 feet by 2 feet. Floor tiles required equals 25 numbers. Skirting area equals 12.33 square feet. And final total tile area with 8% wastage equals 121.3 square feet. Always remember, before ordering tiles, include skirting area and wastage for cutting and breakage. For more civil engineering knowledge and free civil calculators, visit www.civilconcept.com.